In this video, I will show you how to create this type of flipkart animation in DaVinci Resolve. But before that, I want to clarify that all assets are in the description. So let's start the tutorial. To create this type of animation, at first go to this icon and the project setting will be this, like this. Create on OK. I have already created a timeline, so you have to create a timeline. Go to effects and drag a fusion composition, and now right click and open in the fusion page and place it like here, and now drag a background node and connect it to this and select the alpha to 0. Now grab another background node and connect it to this background node and go here and go to type and select the gradient option, hit Ctrl G, decrease the size and adjust the handles and make sure to make it like this. So now go here and this time I will make it a little pinkish type. Okay, go here and make it a purple type, yeah, and adjust the cursors like this. So now go and grab a rectangle node and adjust it. So now go here and to create the wavy animation we have to place it here and go here and hit shift space, type waviness and waviness type vertical to horizontal and just increase the strength a little bit and and decrease the scale like this, and yeah, and now go shift space, type drop shadow and apply this to so the position would be like this. So decrease the strength and now shift space, go and search a soft glow and okay, I will organize it. So go to soft glow and increase the glow size and decrease it like this. So select all of these and drag it here, create another background node and connect to the pipeline, and this time I will make sure that the color is like this, a little bit bluish. Okay, so I will make it a little bit dark. Okay, so now our waviness animation is ready. So tap alt and drag it like this and right click and open in the fusion page, and now delete all of these nodes and drag another background node, connect to the merge node, and now go and select the rectangle node and adjust it like this. So go to corner radius and increase it like this. So I will decrease the width, and now go to background and select on the gradient and I will make sure it is short enough, and now okay, so the structure is ready and I will make it fit. And now all you have to do I will make sure it is like here, and now go to media pool and drag these photos and hit F2 and type A for understanding and type B, and I will close the media pool and I will connect it like here and go. I will select this and hit on the transform icon and adjust it like I will adjust it like this. I think this is good. And now go to merge operator and select the ATOP. So I will hit Control C and hit Control V, same to like this. Okay, so I will hit Control P and I will make sure that the screen isn't too big. So I will adjust it. Now select on the transform and flip it. I mean increase the size and the Y, and again go to operator and select ATOP. So now our basic composition is ready. Like I have to write the text, so I will drag it here, hit Control C, Control V, place it like here. I think it isn't connected. Okay, it's connected. I hit Control V again. Okay, like you have to make sure that these things are connected, otherwise like you will get frustrated when things will not work as you think. So type whatever you want. So here, go to here, type poppins. I will select the black one and make sure it is black. I will go to shading, gradient. I should select the white one and I will make it red, and I have to adjust it like this. And now go to text, decrease the okay, I did a mistake. Okay, so I will go to layout and I will position it like here. So select the text and now apply some effects. Before that, go to shading, select the third option and enable these and reduce the opacity a little bit. And now select a drop shadow, just decrease the shadow strength and now add a soft glow. You have to adjust it. Okay, so you don't need to copy this. Okay, it is before, it is after, which is looking nice. So as always, I will arrange it like this and I will copy this and I will hit paste. Okay, so now hit Control C, hit Control V, and before that hit or select all these and hit Control P. And now go here and select this and type your next text. Okay, so now I have written everything. So I will select shift space and I will write DVE and I will select it like here. I will go to 0 frame, I will go to rotation, X rotation, I will go to 60 frames and type 180. So it would look like this. So select this, go to spline, check all the boxes and select all, Control A, S, and I don't think to apply. Okay, so I will go here and like you can copy the curve like if you want. So yeah, it's looking nice, but before that I have to go the 30 frame. I will select this and I will disable it. I will select this and again. So now the composition is balanced, like okay. And now I will go to this merge, go to 30 frames. Okay, go to blend, keyframe it, 1 frame forward, keyframe it and decrease it. And same goes to this merge, blend keyframe, decrease it, 1 frame backward and increase it. So it would look like this. So now go this frame and okay, hit Control P, merge 30 and go to blend, keyframe it, go another frame and keyframe it again and go to previous frame and decrease it. And I will go I will select this and keyframe it again one frame forward again, go one frame backward and decrease it, so it would look like this. So now I have like the composition is looking like little weird, so select the transform node and flip it, and now I will select the transform and I will flip it. Okay, so it's looking nice, but our work is not completed. Go here, hit Ctrl G. Okay, now select the background, uplift here and type drop shadow, and okay, so now okay, so make sure the strength isn't too big, like you can see the glitch like here, you can see. So should I do or not? No, I think it would like look ugly and it will make our project more complex, means complicated. Okay, it would like so to create this I will apply gain here, and okay, it's fine. Apply the rectangle mask and adjust it like this. Okay, and before doing that you have to make sure that it's all around, like you can say 40 frames. So I will keep it low, increase the soft edge, and I will tilt this like this, and I will increase it here. Okay, so I will place it, will go here and I will place it here. Okay, so go to it is in the 40 frames, create keyframe on the center and go to 20 frames, I think, yeah, and increase it. It would create a shiny animation, but it is linear, so go to spline, hit Ctrl S, and okay, I'm making it a little bit faster. I think it is looking good, nice. No, it's too fast, I think. It's not needed, by the way. So I will make a normal ease in, ease out. I think it's far better. Okay, there is a problem here. Okay, I will remove this here. Go to keyframes and select on the rectangle and select okay, and go here and make it a little bit close. Yeah, so our shiny text animation is completed. So I will make sure it is here, and our last okay, I will go to settings and apply motion blur, and I don't think so it was needed, by the way, but I did it. So tell me, how was the tutorial?